Blessed morning to you, the viewers, the subscribers, links 007T to the V. Yeah man, it's a beautiful Friday morning, the end of another week. It has been such a wonderful week. The weather has been good. Hope that everyone is doing fine, keeping safe as always, and just living your best life, No one knows what the future holds, but we just have to just try our very best to put that best foot forward, and always try just to maintain that positive composure about life. So much things happening in the world, and some other things are just so negative that's going on, but guess what, we still have to just remain positive and just try to focus on the positive things about life, because life is just such a wonderful thing. And when you have life, you have hope, and once you have hope, you can push yourself to whatever you want to do. So just always remember that. Stay strong and just stay blessed as always. You know how it goes. All the viewers out there, wherever you are watching this video right now, much love, much respect goes out to you as always. Always appreciate the viewers, always appreciate the subscribers. And it's a wonderful feeling just to know that you have these viewers out there that continue to support the movement of Links 007 TV. So have a blessed and productive weekend from the Links TV family. Peace out and bless.